Have you ever wondered if we are alone in the universe? The discovery of exoplanets, planets beyond our solar system, might bring us closer to the answer. These celestial bodies, known as exoplanets, reside outside the cozy confines of our solar system, orbiting stars far beyond our own sun. The concept of exoplanets was purely theoretical until the early 90s, when the first confirmed detection occurred. Since then, thousands have been discovered, vastly expanding our celestial neighborhood. These discoveries hold the tantalizing possibility of extraterrestrial life, a prospect that has fascinated humanity for centuries. Exoplanets come in all shapes and sizes, from gas giants larger than Jupiter to rocky worlds not much bigger than Earth. Their varied characteristics and environments offer a treasure trove of information, helping us understand more about our own planet and the universe at large. Join us as we count down the top 5 most fascinating exoplanets discovered so far. At number 5, we have Gliese 667 cc, a super-Earth located in the habitable zone of its star. Gliese 667 cc, an exoplanet that has sparked the curiosity of astronomers and space enthusiasts alike, is nestled within the constellation of Scorpius. This intriguing celestial body is part of the Gliese 667 triple star system and is situated roughly 22 light-years away from our home planet. In terms of size, Gliese 667 cc is classified as a super-Earth. This means it's larger than Earth but smaller than the giants of our solar system, like Neptune or Uranus. In fact, Gliese 667 cc is about 4.5 times the mass of Earth, which makes it quite a heavyweight in the realm of exoplanets. But what sets Gliese 667 cc apart is its location. It lies within the habitable zone of its host star, Gliese 667c. This is the sweet spot where conditions could potentially allow for liquid water to exist on the planet's surface. And as we know, where there's water, there's the potential for life. However, life on Gliese 667 cc, if it exists, would be quite different from what we're used to. The planet is tidally locked to its star, meaning one side of the planet is constantly bathed in daylight, while the other is in perpetual darkness. This could result in extreme temperature differences between the day side and the night side of the planet. Furthermore, Gliese 667 cc receives more incoming radiation from its star than Earth does from the sun. While this could make for a harsh environment, it doesn't necessarily rule out the possibility of life. After all, life on Earth has proven to be extraordinarily adaptable, thriving in conditions ranging from the freezing depths of the Antarctic ice to the scorching heat of volcanic vents. Though the conditions on Gliese 667 cc might be harsh, it represents a tantalizing possibility in our search for life in the universe. So, as we continue to explore the cosmos, planets like Gliese 667 cc serve as reminders of the infinite possibilities that await us in the great beyond. Next up, at number 4, is K218b, a planet that made headlines for its potential water vapor atmosphere. Now let's dive into why this is such a big deal. You see, water vapor is a key ingredient for life as we know it. It's the stuff that makes up the clouds in our sky, fills our oceans, and even makes up about 60% of our bodies. Finding water vapor on an exoplanet doesn't just mean that there might be rain showers or oceans there, it also means that the planet might have the right conditions to support life. K218b, a planet located in the constellation Leo, is about 110 light-years away from Earth. It's about twice the size of our home planet, but it's in the right zone around its star where it could potentially support liquid water on its surface. And that's crucial because, as far as we know, water is the elixir of life. Now let's put this into perspective. Imagine you're a detective, and you're looking for signs of life in the universe. You'd be looking for clues, right? Well, finding water vapor in the atmosphere of an exoplanet like K218b is like finding a big glowing neon sign that says, life might be here. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Although the presence of water vapor is promising, it doesn't guarantee that life exists on K218b. The conditions on this exoplanet could be very different from what we're used to. It's possible that the atmosphere is too thick, or the gravity is too strong, or the temperature is too extreme. So, while K218b is an exciting find, it's just one piece of the larger puzzle of astrobiology. To solve this puzzle, we need more information. We need to study K218b and other exoplanets in more detail, and we need to keep searching for signs of life in the universe. While we still have much to learn about K218b, its potential water-rich atmosphere makes it a significant find. The third most fascinating exoplanet, Proxima Centauri B, orbits the closest star to our solar system. Proxima Centauri B is a captivating gem in the universe's vast sea of stars. It's nestled in the habitable zone of the Proxima Centauri star, which is the closest star to our solar system, sitting at a mere 4.2 light-years away. If the term habitable zone rings a bell, it's because this is the region around a star where conditions could potentially allow for water, a key ingredient for life as we know it, to exist on a planet's surface. This exoplanet is approximately 1.3 times the size of Earth, making it a so-called super-Earth, and it completes an orbit around its star in just 11 days. That's right, a year on Proxima Centauri B is less than a fortnight on Earth. Now, while it's in the habitable zone, Proxima Centauri B presents quite a different picture from our home planet. The star it orbits, Proxima Centauri, is a small, low-mass star, known as a red dwarf. This means that Proxima Centauri B is likely tidally locked, meaning one side of the planet is always facing its star, while the other side is in perpetual darkness. This creates extreme temperature differences across the planet, which could make it challenging for life as we know it to exist. But the allure of Proxima Centauri B is not just about the possibility of finding alien life. Its close proximity to Earth makes it a tantalizing target for future space exploration. Scientists and space enthusiasts alike dream of sending unmanned spacecraft to this exoplanet to gather more data, and who knows, maybe even one day, humans could set foot on this distant world. The exploration of Proxima Centauri B could open a new chapter in our understanding of the universe and our place within it. It's a reminder that we are part of a larger cosmic story, one that is still unfolding and full of possibilities. Proxima Centauri B's close proximity to us makes it an exciting target for future exploration. At number 2, we have Kepler 22b, the first confirmed exoplanet in the habitable zone of a sun-like star. Kepler 22b is no ordinary exoplanet. It's a super-Earth, orbiting more than 600 light-years away in the constellation of Cygnus. This extraordinary world was discovered in December of 2011 by NASA's Kepler Space Telescope, a device specifically designed to hunt for Earth-like planets around other stars. The discovery of Kepler 22b was a landmark moment in the search for life beyond our solar system, serving as a testament to the capabilities of human innovation and curiosity. Kepler 22b is about 2.5 times the size of Earth. It orbits its star every 290 days, a length of year much shorter than ours, yet still within the range where liquid water could exist on its surface. This is a crucial factor when considering the potential for life as we know it. However, much remains unknown about Kepler 22b. Its composition is still up for debate, with possibilities ranging from a rocky world to a water world. Scientists are also unsure about the planet's atmospheric conditions, which could significantly impact its habitability. But the very fact that Kepler 22b exists, and in the habitable zone no less, opens up a world of possibilities. Literally. It gives us hope that there may be other planets out there just like Earth waiting to be discovered. Kepler 22b's location in the habitable zone of a sun-like star makes it a particularly intriguing exoplanet. And finally, the most fascinating exoplanet to date, Kepler 186f, the first Earth-sized planet found in the habitable zone of its star. Kepler 186f, a captivating sphere of possibilities, was discovered by NASA's Kepler Space Telescope back in 2014. It's located about 500 light-years away from us, in the constellation Cygnus. Kepler 186f is strikingly similar to Earth in many ways. It's nearly the same size as our home planet, and it orbits within its star's habitable zone, the region where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist. This similarity to Earth has caused quite a stir in the scientific community, sparking our collective imagination and fueling our quest to find life beyond our solar system. What makes Kepler 186f particularly intriguing is that it orbits a red dwarf, a type of star that's smaller and cooler than our Sun. This means that while it's in the habitable zone, its climate could be quite different from Earth's. But just imagine for a moment, could this distant world bear life? Could its surface be dotted with oceans, forests, or even creatures we can't begin to imagine? The discovery of Kepler 186f, an Earth-like planet in the habitable zone, brings us one step closer to finding a world that could potentially support life as we know it. It reminds us that the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled, and that our journey of exploration is far from over.